I started vlogging in 2003, before YouTube even existed. It is with heart wide open that I share with you my journey that has taken me from South Korea to now living off-grid in the middle of nowhere. So first thing, it's a nice day today. What is this, you know, for the goats? I don't know if they need more or if they're gonna eat this. Let's see if I shake it. I'm not gonna give them more. They can eat that for now. They'll be spending most of the day outside, so it's good. So then it's time for the excavators greasing and TLC. So I gotta put a new tube in there and get going. The greasing is done. It's easy now. It's warmer. Yes. Okay. So now I'm gonna eat lunch before I go out. I'm gonna open new trails today. It's too windy. I'm not gonna cut some trees. I have stuff I can do in here, but while I can cross the creek with the excavator, might as well do it. So we'll do that. My love, pay attention to what you smell, okay? So you see there's a little hump here before the bridge. You have to go down. It's quite steep. So I have to make that more softer, because when I have like a 16 foot long lug on the trailer can touch this, and then it's kind of like a problem. Or the end of the lug will touch that, contact with the ground, and you know, so by making it softer. But I thought I could do that today, but with this bucket without teeth and the ground being hard still enough, it's not happening today. I'm gonna have to have the digging bucket to be able to do that. So I'm gonna open a trail that way for now, and just, you know, I'm doing something, so something is getting done. It's kind of a lull. Other years I've made cheese at this time of the year, but I don't want to make cheese now because I'm gonna eat it. And if I made cheese, it would just not be a good idea. So, and the tree cutting, well, when it's windy, it's not the best day, you know. And the trees I want to do next by the house and the fence, I think it's better if Divine is with me. And other big trees, I want to be able to test my system with the quad before cutting them, just to know that what I'm getting into when I cut them, you know, so I'm clear on what I'm getting into. Right now I'm not clear, because they're also further away, so that implies more travel distance. So I think my best use of my time today is to get started on a new trail. And you know, so I'll work until maybe, I'll plan to get home by 7. So that gives me more than 4 hours, like almost 5 hours of work. That should be good. The goats are terrible. They won't eat like the leftover, I guess. They don't finish their hay like all the way. So there's a lot of wastage. Anyway, soon the grass will grow. They'll be spending a lot of time grazing, so that'll help. So now today I'm going back to the excavator. It's in the back in the forest, and I'm going to open a new trail today. It's earlier than usual now, so let's go. I'm taking you with me. I'm gonna start by adding some diesel in there. I was editing March 2023. Holy moly, there was a lot of snow compared to this. Maybe 4 times as much. We got stuck at the end of February. There was a storm, and we ended up getting stranded here. I had to shovel manually the fence perimeter. I think I said it was like 16.5 hours of shoveling because the dogs kept escaping. Yes, I was like looking for the dogs 2-3 times a day because the snow was over the fence, so they just like walked over it. That was a tough winter. While it warms up, I'm gonna walk on the trail I made last night or yesterday afternoon. There's no snow here, it's good. I'm gonna look at the trees. No trees here to melt to. Oh, maybe that one there. Yeah, that one is ready. It'll be fun to see the creek flow. It'll be soon, because it's right here. And when it's hunting time, I now have a trail along the creek, which is good. I'll be able to move in the bush without making too much noise. Oh wow, look at that. This is good. Yeah, I'm gonna be happy with the trail I'm gonna make today, if I get to make it. There's another tree there that's ready. This grove, yeah, this grove is in, the trees are not big enough yet. Here. Oh, this is good. Walking this before would have taken forever because I can't, you know, I wouldn't have been able to walk at this speed. The edge of the property is like over there. Okay, well, I'm gonna go back. Eventually I'll have a trail that goes here along the property line, but not today. That's not what I'm gonna do. So my tree blind number 2 is there. That's a new trail I made, but I came from this side, as you can tell, and now I'm gonna go this way. And when I get at the back there behind those first spruces that are in front of us, there's snow. There's a trail that used to go that way. I'm gonna open that up, and that will take me to the southwest corner of the property, and I will be able to come back. If you see right there, you can tell something is coming this way. So I'm gonna come back there. So I'm gonna make a loop like this. I don't know if I have enough time. It's quarter afternoon now, so we'll see. You know, it's gonna get done. Maybe it's not gonna be completed today. You never know. Oh, it's hot, it's melting today, so don't know about the creek. It's okay, there's a way out if the creek starts flowing too strong that I can't cross. But I don't know, I've never seen it when it happens, and I don't know, it's not a torrent that just suddenly happens. I think it's fairly progressive. Anyway, so I was trying to open a trail that I had not scouted yet. And it didn't really turn out as where I wanted to be, because on the GPS I don't have the satellite picture, and even with the satellite picture it's not accurate, so I can't really tell, you know. But this trail here, I flagged it, so I'm gonna follow the flags, and then we'll see. Now is 2:20, so I guess it's just been an hour or two. Yeah, anyway, I was about to tell you, I lose track of time when I'm working in here, you know. It's yeah, I really like that. I get in the zone. I got my music right now, but whether I'm listening to an audio book or to music, the same thing happens. I just get and very little self-dialogue going on, you know. But now I'm taking a break, and I'll keep going. I don't know where I can put the camera to have like cooler footage for you guys. Okay, I'm coming back. I'm gonna...
Okay, get stuck in traffic.
I'm far, so it's gonna take a while. I didn't even do everything I wanted to do. I'm on my way back. I didn't do the whole loop I want to do, but I'm in a good position to finish it in less than a day next time I come around. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave the excavator here, like by the quad, by the bridge, and then tomorrow, if Divine wants to work on the pile, I'll come get it. This is so good, like it's like our property is so much bigger now. I love it. It's Saturday morning. Something has been smelling like electronics heating up for like 2 days. I can't smell. I can't find where it is. There we have our eggs going. So that was like, I don't know how many hours away from a fire, but it's inevitable. It will catch on fire. And how I discovered it, so when I touched it, I pulled and it disconnected. So the connection was not made properly. So yes, so I insisted to find it because I remember one time talking with the guy that helped me at first put the solar system. I had something that had smelled and had burned one of my batteries, and I didn't know. And he said to me, like, when it smells like something's burning, it's because something's burning. So it's an emergency. You have to get to the bottom of it right then and there. So now I got to the bottom of it. I reconnected it. The cable is not hot whatsoever. So that's good. But I'm not, wasting any time. I ordered another solar charge controller similar than this one. Amazon doesn't have the same one, but doesn't matter. It's like tax, shipping, everything included is like 150 something, and it'll be here Tuesday, and today is Saturday, so can't go wrong with that. So if I see my cable, if I feel my cable gets hot, I just turn off the breaker, and that'll take care of that. Yeah. Oh my God. I'm so happy it was avoided. Yes. Oh. Yeah. So the guy came for the tractor. We finally found each other. Not sure, how he's gonna, what he's gonna do with that. So now I'm gonna go get the excavator, and we're gonna cut some trees. I cleaned up. We took 3 trees here. We'll do the other tomorrow. Then it's gonna be to bring these logs to the bed. So we'll start with this, with the trailer. Yeah, these ones will be the first one I will do with the trailer. It's closer. It's gonna give me a chance to see how it goes. And if I need the excavator, at one point, it's not too far to get it. Okay, well, it's Saturday night, so we're gonna go party on the town. I like the space now that we have here. It's really good. Much, much safer. These 2 tomorrow. Also next week, I'm changing the charge controller. I'm gonna go there now. See if the cable is hot or not. I think I got that problem. So even that we need to go 4 days, before changing it. I don't like that. And if we don't use it, we're gonna need a lot more gasoline for the batteries, because we're not gonna. Okay, let's see if it's hot. No, it's not hot. Good. Good. Good morning, everyone. We woke up to a snowstorm. And just as we thought it was over. Oh, so yeah, how many inches is this? Well, you can see there on the table, that's at least maybe even 4 inches. It's still falling. So I'm hesitating taking the truck plow to do the road because the layer of snow that was remaining from yesterday has now crusted, so it's like a sheet of ice. And from past experience, that sheet of ice is really not good on the plow because it's really hard. So it is likely that the plow would break. And my solution, right, Raven, is to use the excavator to do a one-way there and back, a one-time there and back. Like, that's a lot of snow in one day. That was not our plan today, but our plan was to start cutting more trees there, but that's not happening today with the snow on the trees. It'll be more difficult to gauge where they would fall, so better not tempt it. So there's no rush, we can wait. We have the luxury to be able to wait to do that, so we're gonna wait. And then once the road is done with the excavator, Divine will continue right away, and she's gonna work on the pile in the back. Meanwhile, I'll be in the shop putting stuff in boxes and sorting things out in there. Okay, let's add the fuel. I'm going to take the truck. I think it'll take me too long to do a good job with this. So, because the blade I cannot use the angle. So that's the complication. So I'm gonna try to put this on the truck now and do it because it needs done. Okay, and then you can go do your pile. Oh my god, it's I'm pushing a lot of snow, and I cannot have my blade as low as I would normally. I have to lift it up. I already got stuck once, but it's not like super stuck, but I had to back up because I couldn't push it anymore. I didn't have enough traction to keep pushing the snowbank. I'm going too fast now. So my goal is to make it to the neighbors, and then when I come back, because the one side will have been done almost normal, then I'll be able to do, I'll have more strength to do the other side. And then I don't really need a lot of space. I just need to be able to take the truck easy without touching the sides. That's all. Darn, I thought, you know, this winter would have been just, this is maybe the 5th time I'm using the plow. I thought I was done. That's too bad. It was not worth making it done by using the excavator, because that would have taken so much time, and the result would not be as good as what I'm gonna get with the plow. It's working perfect with the trowel pluck, the trowel pluck, the truck plow. How did that happen, eh? Like, I inverted the first letter of both words, but how does that happen in the brain, you know? That's so weird. So, and it's perfect, it's wide enough. I don't need to do another phase because that snow's not gonna stay there very long. It's gonna start melting soon, so we're good. Just there and back is fine. It's snowing hard now. Yeah, there's a lot falling, but this is like really good now, and I don't really have to worry about pushing this to the side by doing another pass. Normally, if it was at the beginning of winter, I would do that, but it's supposed to rain tomorrow, and we're what, March 23rd, so there isn't much time left for the snow, so I think it's fine. I'll check the snowmobile. Maybe we use the snowmobile. It's a day to stay inside and play with Legos. Oh, look at these guys. Yeah, it's a day to play with Legos for sure. Willow, you're happy? So I had to dig the ski, but it should work. The snow, the way the snow is, it feels like we're on top of water. Hi, Willow.